Day 53, everyone. I hope everyone's hanging in there. It's a day-to-day kind of thing. We're still on lockdown. I told myself I'd go to day 50, but here I am, day 53. Tomorrow is officially the end of our lockdown, and we start stage 2 on Monday. So tomorrow will be my last lockdown song, and it's Mother's Day, so that'll be nice. A nice way to end it. Today's song, I had to dig deep for this one. This is called The Sound of Wrong. I recorded it a few years back, and then I threw it away. I figured I'd play it for you today, and I could always throw it away again. So it's called The Sound of Wrong. I hope you guys are having a blessed day. Riding, soul surviving, pipes pounding, echoes in the night. Come tomorrow, I have to borrow time after time. But the sun is blazing, my body's glazing. Summertime is finally here. Come tomorrow, I hope no sorrow that is clear. Oh, have no fear. Oh, it's near. Oh, so near. Once I was strong, thought nothing was wrong. Got a feeling kinda early, started singing my song. Hey, hey. Listening to the sound of wrong, hey, sound of wrong, singing in my song, hey. Nothing clearer, like in the mirror, mankind projects it all. Bad luck borrowed, so hard to swallow, it's so real. But the sun is blazing, my mind is hazing, with new thoughts in my head. Come tomorrow, we'll need to borrow, that is clear. Oh, the time is near. Oh, so near. Yes, it's clear. Once I was strong, got something wrong. I feel got early, started singing my song. Hey. Thanks a lot. See you tomorrow.